Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. Today let's see how to make rasam. So to begin with, we will be taking tamarind, about lemon size tamarind. This is our tamarind pulp. In another vessel, add about half cup of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn. These are crushed peppercorn. And about 1 tablespoon of jeera powder or cumin powder. Add about 1 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida powder. This is 1 teaspoon. Mix it all well and we will go ahead and roast them till the aroma of the masala spreads. Aroma of the masala has started to spread. Let us go ahead and switch off the flame. I have kept it in a slow flame for about 5 to 10 minutes in a very slow flame and kept on sauteing it. It has become nice and roasted well and nice. The delicious aroma has also spread. This is a rasam powder. We can store this rasam powder in a jar. Its shelf life is about 1 to 1.5 months. And whenever we require, we can actually take it out and make rasam out of it. So this, I will just make this and take it out on a plate and allow it to cool. Okay, we will go ahead and allow it to cool and then store it in a jar. Alright, into the same vessel I will add some chopped tomatoes. This is one whole chopped tomato. Add tamarind water, the tamarind pulp that we had made earlier. Just pour in. Add about 1 cup of water. A few curry leaves, just a twig is fine. Add a pinch or half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, just slow the flame. Give it a stir. Now at this stage add our masala, rasam masala. Add about 1 teaspoon of rasam masala in it. After adding the masala, you will get the aroma of rasam. Aroma of rasam will start to spread. Just give it one light stir. This is tur dal. These are cooked tur dal. Just add a little salt and cook it. I am adding about 1 tablespoon of cooked tur dal in it. I am just adding so that we get a little thickness to the rasam. Bring it to a boil and simmer in slow flame. Okay, the rasam has come to a boil. Let us slow the flame and simmer it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, it is now 2 to 3 minutes. It's been simmering. Let us now take it off the flame and keep it aside. Now take another vessel. Add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can use regular oil, any cooking oil is fine. I like the flavor of the coconut oil, so I will be adding it. Also, I am making a traditional Kerala style rasam. So I am just using coconut oil for the same. Okay, once the oil becomes hot, add a pinch or half a teaspoon of mustard seeds into it and allow it to splutter. add some more curry leaves. I switched off the flame. Once the aroma of curry leaves starts to spread, pour this tempering into our rasam. And finally, garnish with some chopped coriander leaves. Our rasam is now ready. Let us take it out in a serving dish. Let us now pour it into a serving bowl. Just tear one green chili and just add it into it. Serve rasam with steamed rice or simply as a soup. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed creating this video. Please do try it and do let me know how it came out. Thank you so much for watching. VeenasKitchen.com.